G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly.
So, papunta na kami Europe.
Like a G6.
Yung mga naiwan dyan kasi hindi kayo humataw eh. Yun, naiwan ko lala. Ata pa guys. Eto na.
Nasusunod kayo naman.
Give me that Christmas style. Ladies love my style.
Paris na, Paris.
Get them bottles poppin'. We get that drippin', that drop out. Now get me 2 more bottles, cause you know it don't stop.
Exciting to. Grabe. Nasa Euro na kami.
Welcome to Paris. Like a G6.
Guys, grabe. Kakarating lang namin dito sa France. First day namin, first day. First day dito, pagkatapos ng breakfast, Disneyland kagad. At ang pinaka-grabe guys, imagine no? Auto ko doon, Mercedes-Benz dito. Pagdating ko dito, bus namin, Mercedes-Benz pa rin. Nakakabaliw. Kaya, tataw lang tayo. Diba? Dati, pangarap lang to. Ngayon, reality na. Nasa TV, dati na. Pero ngayon, reality na. Ang ganda talaga dito na sa Europe.
Uno. Don, posible.
Drinking coffee, stare me down across the table while I look outside. So many things I'd say if only
Ayaw kay Mickey Mouse.
Ewan ko ba? Dati lang eh. Enchanted, Karyahan. Ngayon, ang puno na lang namin, Japan Disneyland eh. Hong Kong many times. Nakasawa na. Amerika. Paris. Siguro, next time, dapat Japan naman.
Saka lagi na lang tayo magkakasama.
Oo, lagi na lang.
Parang mas masaya pagkasama ka naman.
Kasi hindi ka humataw eh.
Tama eh.
Kasi sa office, wala kang invite eh. Diyan ka lang.
May nabenta na tutok.
Alam mo, mahirap dito. Yung kawanan naninigas eh. Pero okay lang pala sa bago jacket mo, bago bonnet mo. Walang problema. Mamaya shopping naman.
cares if you disagree. You are not me. Who made you king of anything? So you dare tell me who to be? Who died? Who made you king of anything? Oh, you sound so innocent, all full of good intent.
Kami ang sponsors niya. First day pa lang yan.
To jump up on board.
This is the center of Paris. Pag tumapa ka daw dito, babalik ka ulit sa Paris. Point zero.
No direction, but you'll never see.
Tingnan mo. Umuusok sa lamig.
Let me hold your crown, babe.
Nandito kami ngayon sa paanan ng Eiffel Tower. Yan, isa sa mga pangarap talaga namin lugar na mapuntahan. Grabe. Sobrang lamig, sobrang ganda dito sa Paris.
I need another story, something to get off my chest. My life is kinda boring, need something that I can confess. So tell me what you want to hear, something that'll light those ears. I'm sick of all the insincere, so I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect line. Don't care if critics ever jump in line. I'm gonna give all my secrets.
Guys, grabe. Doon sa Paris, France, yung service namin, nasa Disney. Ngayon, dito sa Belgium, tingnan nyo. Volvo na naman. Grabe talaga yung puno, guys. Dito lang yan, kay Hataw. However,
Wish I could spin my world into reverse just to have you back again. There's no getting over.
Sa Paris, meron tayong yung well-known na Eiffel Tower.
Yes!
Dito naman sa Brussels, Belgium, meron tayong Atomium.
I only knew back then. There's no getting over. There's no getting over. Just no getting over you. Wish I could spin my world into reverse just to have you back again. There's no getting over. There's no getting over. There's just no getting over you. No, no.
Morning mga kauno, nandito kami ngayon sa Amsterdam. Grabe yung mga scenery rito, napakaganda. Diba? As you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa windmills dito ngayon. Kaya mga kauno, next time dapat kasama na kayo. Diba? Next trip natin is sa USA naman. Grabe, power. Good morning. Number 1.
If I only knew back then, there's no getting over, there's no getting over, it's just no getting over you. Wish I could spin my world into.
Grabe, nandito kami ngayon sa Diamond Factory sa Amsterdam. Sobrang dami ng diamonds, nakakabaliw ang dami. Ito na lang, tignan niyo.
we're going to a Kano cruise right now. Mga kauno, sama kayo next time. Okay!
Yeah, man. So we back in the club with our bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. 'Cause baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again. Yeah, baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again. So dance, dance like it's the last night of
Grabe, sobrang lamig. Kaya, napapainit ako ng ice cream na galing sa German. Tamang-tama. Puro snow na. Bundok. Ibang klaseng excitement.
Grabe! Ang daming yelo! Sa Pilipinas, kailangan mo ba kaskasin? Dito, libre! Ang dami-dami! Guys, kung mainit dyan, nainitan ka, punta ka rito. Napakaraming, napakasarap! Punta ka rito! Kasama ka